There we go. Barely made it work. I think they about 40 of them. 40 orders, man. Now that y'all have seen the samples, man. Yes, 3, 2, 1, go. The embroidery changed color.
On honest rate, what you give? 1 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Yes, sir. Bet. I fuck with those rhythm.
Man, this shit so hard. Nobody fucking with me. Ayy. Roll up a wood, I'm finna get loaded. My niggas turn 17, have emotion. Drinking no mud and I call it my potion. Don't tell them shit, they gon' think that I'm toting. Clutching it fire and I'm banging the stick. These niggas tripping, they acting like bitches. Don't come around, we got gloss in these stitches. We pushing shit back and we bust at your fitted. Call a little case so he gon' make your face go. I'm in the trap, I'm walking the fago. Pop me a purtin', I feel like I'm booty. This little bitch, she got ass in the movement. I told her come here, let go make us.
Yo, YouTube, man, what's going on? So today's video, man, we finna be shipping out my orders. And yeah, and whatever else to get into, man, we just getting into. So my book just arrived. Let's go ahead and go grab my book, man. So man, y'all can see, man, here goes the book. And yeah, also my new samples are also in here. So let's get to it. Before we start packaging up everything, man, let's check out the samples first. Here goes one of my samples. These are my 2 samples. Let's open them up, man. Oh, I can't really show y'all. Now that y'all have seen the samples, man, it's time to try them on. And I don't know if y'all noticed this, but depending on the light that is in, the embroidery change color. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, that's, I don't know if y'all can see that, but in person you can definitely see it changing color. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and try them on and see. Now keep in mind, I'm skinny, so everything I put in, everything I put on gonna fit weird for me, man. But honestly, they fit pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Above the knees. You know what I'm saying? This right here tighten up on me. These fit good though, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and drop these. But I like how it changed color though, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it changed color for real. But yeah, man. Now that we got the samples out the way, man, it's time to knock out these pre-orders. All these pre-orders, it's time to knock them out. I think I got like 40 of them or something up in here. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and knock out these pre-orders. If y'all want to see the full process of me packaging and all that, go watch my other shipping order video. I'm not probably gonna put that in this video, but yeah, let's get to it. Oh yeah, I packaged one, but I want to make like a cool transition type where I go in and come out and all the packages gonna be there. I'm gonna jump on the bed and everything. When I jump off the bed, everything gonna be a package. So watch this. Look. So YouTube, man, we are done packaging. It's only like 40 pre-orders, like 40 of them. All these are pre-orders, already been paid for. I have nothing left on hand, so yeah, let's get ready to ship them out, man. Dude, man, look, y'all see this whole got them falling out, man. We got everything packaged up in there. Since everything packed up, man, let's go on ahead and get ready to head down there and ship out, man. Yeah, shipping in the Camaro. You know we shipping in the Camaro. I bet, man. So we just made it to the post office. We finna go in here and get these little bags and load them bitches and get them bitches gone. That one.
Oh, this that one?
Yeah.
Say that.
Hey y'all, so shit. There we go. Barely made it work. I think they about 40 of them. 40 orders, man. Appreciate y'all for the support. And yeah, let's go ahead and take these in there. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I ain't got no exchange, so I ain't gonna be able to record going in there.
Is it gonna leave the camera right there? Hopefully somebody don't grab it.
Leave the camera. Shit. See y'all when we get back.
Fuck with you.
Alright. Right back in the car. Got that done, y'all. Yeah. Now ready for those shorts to go on ahead. Come in and get them made. Alright, y'all, man. We finna go on ahead and go find a spot. Take these sample pictures it. Yeah, see y'all when we find a spot. I think I'm gonna to goddamn Camel Cat giveaway for that scat pack. How much did you get into the raffle? I think it's like 50.
Ain't nobody on the road. If they want some smoke, come get some smoke.
Come on, man. I'm telling you, I'll do a burnout right here, right now. Magnificent cow.
Tee up one time.
This shit say, look what we just did, y'all. Look what this say right there. I see you got something in.
I ain't gonna focus.
But the message says, I see you got something in. And look what the hell we just did. There's nothing on hand. All this shit gone, just like that. So,
Real quick. If y'all want some risky mentality for this shit, go in, come in, go out real quick.
if y'all laugh, I'm gonna tell y'all, man, y'all want to cop? All new drop. Them shorts I showed y'all. Them bitches gonna start off on hand. If your ad is not first, when them bitches drop, you is not getting them bitches on hand. Your ad gonna be waiting them 4 weeks. I'm telling you now. On it, cop it as soon as you see it. Alright.
Oh, it's over with.
I'm gonna hit my shit now. The truck ain't making it, it's over with. That 5th gen right there, that bitch some mud.
Oh yeah, that shit got
That
bad.
bitch mud. I had extra from that book, but them bitches just went over to, you know, the next one.
Yo, it's over with.
The time y'all will spend waiting for me to restock some on hand, you honestly gonna wait longer than you would have waited for a pre-order. Yeah, all order, they still mostly made the order, man.
Bro, it's okay, man. Just wait your little time, man. You ain't doing them. I ain't even gonna disrespect y'all like that, man.
Ain't no C63, like the one that Corn got. GT63S, that's what it is. GT63S.
That's a mid-size, ain't it?
I don't know shit. I just know that bitch looks so nice on the inside.
GT, what is that? GTS?
Yeah, GT63S.
GT63S.
I wouldn't even mind taking a black wing over here, cat.
I ain't gonna lie, that's what I want, bro.
Bitch look hard.
Yeah, them bitches way lighter. Get your highlighter ass up out of here.
Is that motherfucker blind and walking?
He got a cane, that nigga ain't blind.
I thought they were like them blinds. You sure? Nah,
man, cuz ain't blind. We would've been finna walk.
And don't do that right here. They been going some thousand RPMs a fast way.
Bro, no, he too tall, folks.
Oh God.
He know he too tall. Digging her ass down. I wouldn't mind having me a midget, bitch. Close it down at 10 though.
Sometimes they be leaving it a bit open. I don't count.
I know they closed it down on me one time. I was stuck in there before I had to call the police.
I was at this bitch getting me some coochie and they claim shut this bitch down. Like, dang, man.
Shit, I got caught by 12 shit, oh bro.
Bro, he was cool though. There really a lot of cool cops down here in Meridian.
You gotta find some way up, man. You can't be down there. Yo, I was all the way down there in the back of that motherfucker.
Oh, yo.
If bro ain't never went back there and got me, fool, I would've been stuck in that bit. I ain't gonna cap it down.
Yeah, yo. I was right there at the entrance, but we're trying to get shut down and this bitch sleep overnight. From if I was a cop, I would never drove all the way back up here. It was over with, bro.
About 8, 9 o'clock too. Oh yeah, it was over with.
I ain't gonna lie, it was about 1 o'clock for me though.
Damn. Recent time, 10 o'clock. They closed the gate. We was at the front. They closed the gate on
That shit was like over a year ago for me though.
If you ain't at your mama crib and you ain't at your daddy crib, if you trying to get some Gucci. That shit broke down.
Damn,
they
finna move out.
Damn, she put that nigga out.
Man, we've been driving for so long.
Finna take some little sample pictures for y'all folks. You feel me? Grab motion dropping next week. What today? Today March the 11th. I ain't gonna care. I ain't got no set date for my shit. I'm finna say March the 20th.
How about y'all just tune in, follow, and that's how y'all gonna find a set date right there.
You feel me? March the 20th. Follow. Look, go to IG. Go to rapmotion.clothing, fool. Tap in. We got shorts, acid wash shorts on the way, man. If y'all ain't tuned in, y'all some hoes.
The motherfucker in the kayak out that bitch. He's that bullshit. I would not be out that bitch by myself.
What are you looking at? Get your damn hair down.
I'm trying to find somewhere to goddamn park, but y'all
I'm finna steal this shit.
What the fuck this here?
Take the wheels off that bitch.
4-run Toyota.
Yeah, yo, finna steal the wheels off that motherfucker.
Alright, y'all, man. So, got the short shit, man. We finna just find somewhere to hang them up on a little tree or something. Take the picture. Yeah.
Oh, I got a green. Green, it moved, bro. The green ass snake hole right there.
Please, not far down there, you fam. This shit ain't gonna be pretty up half all day. That bit though down.
Looking all over my face, man. Just wave back.
I had that bit like that. Well, that's it right here though.
All right. Oh shit. Taylor. I hope my shit the same then.
I love the black ones. They're pretty fire. Yeah. Did y'all design these yourself?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. These are sweet, man.
Bet.
Diamonds on the side, yeah. Where can you get them?
Huh?
Where can you get them?
At Risky Mentality. What you how much you think they worth? What price you think? A good price?
I put about 35 to 40.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Oh yeah, appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He get you the rate.
You know I fuck with the shorts, the hoochie daddies. I need those. I like those. I fuck those.
How much you think they should start at? What price?
You just store about 25.
25.
25 to 30. I fuck them purple motherfuckers though. Hey, you just throwing you hard, then the motherfucker do that jacket too?
Yeah.
Hey, gee, I'll be the first one to know about it. First one to rock your shit, we gonna be big, I'm telling you. What's the website?
Risky Mentality.
Risky
Yeah,
mentality.
you just look it
I
up
fuck
on
with that
Google.
big risky anyway. I fuck with that big risky anyway. Oh, y'all like your purple motherfuckers though.
Yeah, appreciate it.
On honest rate, what you get? 1 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yes, sir.
Bet.
I fuck with those. Them bitches tough, guys. I fuck with them. You said risky mentality.
.com.
Yeah, you just look it up. Yes.
Oh, you already got shit.
Yeah.
You already got stuff.
You got the hoodie right there too and everything.
Yeah.
Shit, multiple. Shit, go call. Go call.
Yo, for real.
Yeah.
Risky mentality.
Bro,
Man,
appreciate it.
Y'all doing little vlog?
Yeah. Yo,
Hey, where y'all going?
my shit that mud? Yo. What y'all rate this bit on the... I ain't fucking my shit that mud, man.
Damn, they talking shit about your shit, folks.
They turned their head.
Damn, they gossip about your
They
shit.
turned their head when I tried to show it to them, man.
On to the next one.
Shit, what you think? What you think I should listen to? So,
These days, man, you do them at least 30p, man.
yeah, that's what I
That's
think.
what I think, 30p, man. You gotta put the work in and all that. Yeah, that's nice right there, though.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, I like that right there. Yeah, get that money, man. Yeah, that should go right there, though. Yeah, at least 30p for real, though, man. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. That's what's up, man.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, that's what's up, man. Yeah.
Oh yeah, so look, man, the embroidery color be changed. Right here, they be white. And look, let me show y'all. Come right here. This shit gray. This shit crazy. Man, we finna try to get right there, y'all. Tight shit. Hopefully on. Bet. We in traffic with it, ain't? Yo.
Hey, how y'all doing? You know, we got Risky Mentality here, photo shoot day.
Guy had fresh out the clock.
Remember about cool?
Finna even by my radio. Yeah, shot. This is tape. I thought that was a suction cup.
We got the vlog for the time being.
White wall, clean, real good. Good wax.
Hey, how much y'all car wash here?
Up to the top, man. Right?
Oh, man. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing? The wash on a crosser is 2 for 1. See the side?
Yeah.
2 cars. Okay. So that's in and out. That's back of wash and spray wash. That's free. That's $45. You got 7 days to bring your other car if you like, or you can bring it the same day.
You be open Monday to Friday?
Every day.
Every day.
Sunday, Christmas, Sunday, Martin Luther King's birthday, his birthday. I'm gonna be right here.
Yeah.
They be recording. Oh shit.
You ain't fake? You scared?
I ain't gonna do it like that. He probably don't want to be
I
recorded.
want you to be though.
You don't know what that means?
What's the just let the spot?
We don't care about that, man. Oh, I grab the key.
So you gonna do a donut like what?
In a certain section.
Yeah. Whoa, shot.
Oh, you gotta go.
Oh, you bushing.
I think I had did something back here for
What you mean you did so back here? You parked your car in the middle?
Nah, that's what I like did. A record video on my car. What's the way I can hang it up here?
Oh, you acrobatic motherfucker. Put it like that.
Like the side, right?
The little flowers behind the scene, man. Marathon scene, man.
Yeah, man. We come cool with that for the first part, because everybody will need it. Oh, TJ.
Just look in the mirror again.
He said, come out looking sexy.
Come in though, just do like this. Look down there, them turn sideways. So you know the camera seat, then look in the mirror, and then just walk out. Then start me on the double. No, you ready. Alright, hey, 3, 2, 1, go. Damn, shark. Go here. Shark supposed to be. Can I? Make sure your ass had that big open. Hey, let me do some. Hey, don't beat me to the dodo. Alright. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, shit. You little bags out. Yo, I'm just be following. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go when you go. Go when you go. Right now, man.
You been getting nasty?
So YouTube, man, we finna hoop, man. You know what I'm saying? What? Them bad boys.
Let them go for 250.
250?
This shoe, I did so much shit in them shoes.
Nah, you crazy for 250.
Them type of shoes.
How about I trade my 12s for these? He walked off. Dunks on Lil Nick for a little highlight real quick. Dunks on. Dunks on Lil Nick. Dunks on Lil Nick. Oh!
Yeah, it's a thing. He's talking cool.
Alright, so YouTube, man, you know, that's it for today, and appreciate you for tuning in.